Yeah, they know. Alright guys, we'll just do a quick one here for you. This is the, looks like what is this, 2019?
I think 2018.
2018?
With the Arrow Kit.
With the Arrow Kit, you guys see that carbon lip with the Quattro right under the grill. This is the, again, I believe this is a Tiptronic 7-speed or some shit like that, you know. Yeah, so RS3. You guys can take a quick look here. I'll get a quick run around on the other side of the lip for you guys. Yeah, and you guys can see in here. Very cool.
What kind of stitching do you call that?
This?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's interesting there. I don't really have a name for that one. Looks like a quilted.
Oh, we're great, thank you.
Looks like a quilted stitching or something.
Just wanted to be in the video, right?
Yeah. All right, moving along. Even the back has. You guys can see. Fig, what do we got in the fucking back here, man?
We got big exhaust, Julie exhaust in the back.
Holy. Those are some real shakers right there.
With the diffuser, as you can see.
With the diffuser. Just take a quick low one for you guys.
Don't forget about the carbon spoiler.
Oh, I almost forgot about that actually. Alright guys, we got a little carbon wing on the top here. It's a nice little touch.
What do you guess they come up?
This one?
CPU.
For 2018, maybe like 40K. Yeah. Maybe you guys can see better this side. The seats. It's not very good, but you guys get the idea. Come around to the front here. Now, I'll get that zoom in on that front for you guys. Alright guys, that's it. SFM Collective. I'm here with Fig, and we
Are out.
we're out. Toronto, peace.